Today we're going to do a video of the Brown & Golden Eagle 180 Mark III amplifier. This matches the Brown & Golden Eagle Mark III radios. I do have the covers off. I'm going to do a quick key down. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. And over here on the watt meter, we're on the 200 watt scale. We're dead keying about 28 watts. Hello. Hello. And swinging a little bit under 50. And over here on the scope. Hello, 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 hello. That's fairly clean for an amplifier. And a quick look on the inside. It's got two tubes for the output. I forgot what tube numbers these were. These might have been 6GK6s or something like that. Normal one-band pi circuit. Input SWR tuner cap there. Relay. Transformer. And a tube for the keying circuit, since it's the RF coming in, keys it up. And that's pretty much it. Over at the bottom, put new caps in it. We don't like using 40-50-year-old electrolytic caps there. And everything else is pretty much stock. So that's it. That's what a Brown & Golden Eagle Mark III amplifier 180 looks like. Probably do a little more with new tubes, but I'm not too concerned about it. Okay, end the video.